This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alejandro Bandian. Substantially remodeled second floor 1/1.5 conveniently located steps away from laundry room. Screened-in balcony with storage closet, nice garden view. New ceramic tiled floors throughout. Fully remodeled master bathroom. Ample master bedroom and walk-in closet separate vanity area. Amenities include 4 tennis courts, clubhouse, 3 swimming pools, additional storage bin, laundry room on each floor and plenty of guest parking. Fenced and gated community with 24-hour guard and roving security patrol. A few blocks away from shopping mall The Palms at Town and Country, Publix supermarket, variety of restaurants, schools and major expressways and highways. Not vacant but lockbox available. Please use Showing Assist to obtain access information. For more information, review the details below or contact Alejandro Bandian at 305-785-3906.